M&Ms versus Dots. Hey Goldie Squad, it's Ruby, and I hope you have a sweet tooth because today's episode is all about Halloween candy. Let's boot up this pop battle. Our first Goldie Squad maker is Aurelia. She loves making her own costumes and dressing up. Can you guess what her favorite holiday is? It's Halloween. Today, she took a car full of M&Ms and turned it into a steampunk-inspired robot ready to steamroll the competition. Our opposing Goldie Squad maker is Jazzy. She loves trick-or-treating because she gets to hang out with her friends, but she is mostly in it for the free candy. Today, she took a Dots plush and turned it into a robot that's equally as sweet as it is strong. Well, now it's time to meet our sweet robots. Introducing Veronica. Let's check in with our Goldie Squad judges.
First of all, your costume, yes. Your nails on fleek, I love it. Why did you name her Veronica?
It seemed like a very Victorian name, and it seemed kind of classy.
Oh, yes.
I also think you look fantastic. I know that you added an additional motor to the front. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, so this car was a candy dispenser originally, so it didn't have a motor at all, so we added in an additional motor on the front so that it had a little bit more oomph. It was like really cool learning how to wire stuff together.
Steampunk plus M&Ms. How can you go wrong? Why do you like steampunk?
I've always really liked old things and like nostalgia shops. Veronica was owned by this woman in the 1940s, and when she died, she actually possessed her car. She wants revenge on Dots because they weren't her favorite candy. She had like a problem with like the texture of it.
I am sweet as sugar, honey, and all this is even sweeter.
That's definitely an extreme response to Dots.
I want to ask about the M&Ms. Like, who are the M&Ms to Veronica?
A staple of her favorite candy. Her two favorite things in life were her car and her candy.
Let's meet our next robot, introducing Candyland. Goldie Squad judges, would you guys want to take a trip to this Candyland robot?
Can I book a trip now? You know what I really, really like about this one, Jazzy, is the architecture that you put into it. It's fun, it's bold, it's very you.
Thank you. I'm glad you said that because I went for an in living color type of theme in all the 80s and back in the days when these in living color, in living color.
I think it's really cool that both of you have elements of nostalgia in both of your bots. Like, you took inspiration from the 80s, and then yours has elements of like steampunk, Victorian. I just thought that was really cool. There's a little magnifying glass on your bot. Is there a story behind that?
There is. I use that so you can see little features inside. There's some certain parts that have glitter, and there's some balls that you can't properly see. So I like to use my magnifying glass to look through everything and choose what candy I want to eat for today.
I like that.
I also love the laser cut sign there to announce yourself to the world. Can you tell us a little bit about how you made that sign?
Well, we used a computer and we basically designed it with the GoldieBlox theme for the beginning. This was actually my first time and took about at least 15 minutes just to get all that done, and using our hot glue gun and everything that we had, we were able to create it.
15 minutes to do it, very impressive. It'll take me like a whole year if I did that. I heard you before say that your robot is sweet and strong.
Yes.
So I can see the sweetness all over it. Dots, beautiful, beautiful. But in what ways, what are your robot's strengths?
I think that I'm going to win based upon my wheels because they are very strong and they are going to push forward and show that everyone that you can be sweet, sometimes a little sour, in different ways.
So how is your robot moving?
There's a little motor in the back that's basically pushing the wheels forward.
Awesome. I love your robot. It's very colorful, like my jacket. Let's get this battle started while we still have a sugar high. Get your bots ready. Don't get your hair in the slime.
Oh.
3, 2, 1, go! Already off the bat. You can't touch it. Already off the bat. Dots. And M&M is kind of getting up on the side, trying to push Dots in. And he's kind of going towards the slime pit. Oh my goodness. Oh, but now it looks like he's almost turning and pushing.
Come on, Dots.
I think so.
Come on, Dots. Come on.
Keep holding on, Veronica. Oh, no, it looks like it's winning. but the Goldie Squad has 2 new super sweet members. Woo! Now it's time to dump the candy bowl of fun on today's winner. Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe for new bot battles every Saturday. And comment down below, what's your favorite candy to get while trick-or-treating? See you guys next time. Bye! See that red subscribe button? Seems like the perfect time to hit it. Did you do it? Boom. Done. Welcome to the Goldie Squad.